Hello, this is Kirill from forexboat.com and welcome back to the course on testing and optimization in MetaTrader 4. So in this quick video, I wanted to show you how to set up your terminal so that the expert advisor can actually perform live or demo trades. So here I've got a demo terminal open in front of me, and I've got our simple system version 7 here somewhere. If I just drag it onto the chart, then you will see that once I, set up my inputs and everything is good here, when I click OK, here the simple system icon has like a frowny face. And that means that the expert advisor is not operational, it's not working. And so now we're going to rectify this issue. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to remove the expert advisor. Now there's two things that you have to pay attention to. So first of all, this button over here, this auto trading, when it's red, that means it's off. If you click it, makes it green, and now auto trading is on and it needs to be green. But that's kind of the very quick switch. When you're first installing the expert advisor, you have to go into the settings of the terminal and fix everything up there first. So we're going to go to Tools, Options, up at the top here, and we get this window pop up, and usually it's on the first page. You need to go to the Expert Advisors tab, and this is what it looks like in the recent builds of MetaTrader 4. So we're talking build 765 plus. It used to look very different, but this is the most recent one. So here you have to click Allow Automated Trading, and that's basically, this is pretty much the same as clicking this button. So when you click this button at the top, the red-green one, it will trigger this checkbox. But in here, within the checkbox, we have to set up our own preferences. So the first one is Disable Automated Trading when the account has been changed. I recommend keeping that on because if you've changed your account in your terminal, which I don't recommend doing, but if you have, then probably you don't want the same expert advisors running on that other account as well. Disable automated trading when the profile has been changed. Yes, I also keep that one on, even though I don't normally change profiles at all, but just in case. Disable automated trading when the chart symbol or period has been changed. I also like to keep that one on, and that is because if your expert advisor is designed for the hourly time frame and you accidentally switch to the daily time frame, you want to make sure your expert advisor is switched off. Once again, that's something I don't recommend doing ever, changing the charts when expert advisors are running on them. But if that happens by accident, you're probably better off if the expert advisor turns off. Otherwise, it can make a lot of mistakes. Allow DLL imports. So if your expert advisor is running using DLLs, then you should switch this on, and I will switch this on. Most expert advisors or simple expert advisors like Simple System don't use DLLs, but you'd rather have this on in case you do launch an expert advisor with DLLs on, so that you don't forget to turn this option on when the time comes. And allow web requests from listed URLs. I don't really use expert advisors that go to certain URLs. Sometimes it happens when your expert advisor tries to find out news or certain algorithms that are proprietary and are hosted on websites. So I usually don't switch this on unless I specifically see that in the instructions of my expert advisor. So now we click OK. As you can see, auto trading is enabled. It's very simple to switch it off, switch it back on. You don't have to go back into the settings anymore. Now your terminal is set up. And now you can just quickly drag your simple system expert advisor. You put in all your settings as you like. Click OK. And there you go. So now simple system version 7.0 is running, and there's a smiley face. And that's a good thing. That means that the expert advisor is ready to roll. Once again, just make sure that you're always aware of the state of this button. If it's red, that means your expert advisors have been switched off and they're not making any trades at the moment. So I hope that was helpful. I look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial, and until then, happy trading.